Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to know if your Android phone supports NFC chip. So let's get started. For the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to settings on your Android phone. So click on settings right here. So when you click on settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for hotspot and connections. Then go ahead and tap on NFC. So at this point here, make sure you turn on NFC. So for every app that has supports NFC payment on your phone, so what you need to do is to click on tap to pay. So when you click on tap to pay, you have default payments. Click on default payment. So here you have Google Pay, WeChat, and Alipay. This is because I have these three payment methods on my phone right here. So with that, your NFC can be worked perfectly with either your Google Pay or your Alipay or your WeChat Pay or whatever wallet you have on your Android device. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.